Hello friends, you're welcome back again to the Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video I want to share with you part of this newly launched earning system. I want to show you how to make investment. Yes, like I said in one of the videos, before you make investment, the first thing is to make a deposit. You can see already I've made a deposit right here. I have this amount now. Actually, when you register, the system just gives you 100 naira free, kind of a sign-up bonus. So I put in additional 13.7. So I want to try. Let me start with a little investment and see how it goes. So this is exactly what to do right now. The first thing is to click on deposit. While you're putting this, let's assume now I want to deposit 15,000 naira. I'm going to put that amount and then I click on deposit now. Just watch what you're going to see. Now the system is going to show me where to make deposits. The account number is this, the system's name is this, and you're paying 2 money points as a bank. So once you are done making this payment, just copy all this and go and make payments. Once you are done making the payments, you now put your sender's name here and now click on the next thing. Just let's look at it. After that, you now click on deposits now. And once you are done that, as long as you make the right deposit, everything will be in the next few minutes. You'll see your money landing in your account. So once that one is done, you now come back to my investment. Okay, you come back to home, to choose your investment. And that's what I want to choose now. So I'm going to click on VIP 2. Remember, I'm doing this because already I have money here. If I don't have money, I cannot click. The system will not go through. So watch, I have 13,000 plus. I click on this. I want to go for this VIP 2. Now, successfully invest. You know why I wrote that? Because I have money. What the system simply did was to cut off the amount and leave the balance for me. So that's it. So as it stands now, I've invested here. So what happens now? Look at the investment returns. It said I'll be earning 495 naira every single day, and that is how it works. So this is exactly how to make deposits and invest on this, newly launched system. It's here already to play. I started for some days now, and it's already doing well. And if I'm going to encourage you, this is the right time to join and let's make money together. I'm going to see the link to join this site. If you have further questions, use the comment box on this YouTube channel, or you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp handle. Let's talk business. I wish you the best, and I stop at this moment. Thanks for watching.